Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Asad Yaqub and I am from Lahore, Pakistan, and I welcome you all to my prediction video of 22nd June Ielts test. Well, I was not willing to make this video, but then many of you requested me from Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, Nepal, Sri Lanka and elsewhere that you should make a prediction video, and here I am. And let me tell you guys, I don't have any source. All my prediction is based on my experience and my close observation of previous Ielts tests, right? So let's just take a start. On 22nd June, it's going to be academic Ielts test only. So it's just academic. I've told you whenever you take your Ielts test, try to take it when it is full test like academic and general training, but not to worry about it. It is going to be fine, absolutely fine. Just don't worry about that. Well, as far as listening is concerned, listening section 1 is going to be quite simple. It's going to start with one word only. So one word only is always very simple. Just read the questions carefully and you will be able to find the answers. In section 1, the last questions like 6 to 10, it is going to be one word only, but it can be, I don't know, but it can be somewhere like multiple choice with ABC, 3 simple options, but otherwise it's going to be all one word only. In section 2, in the last exam that was held on 13th June, in section 2 there was a map and then there were some more questions. So over here also there can be a map, but I think there are chances for multiple choice this time. In the last test also on 13th June and even before that, there were so many multiple choices, multiple choice questions. So please take a look at multiple choice and prepare yourselves very well. So in listening, it can be either a map along with some more multiple choice questions or some fill up. Section 3, most definitely there are going to be multiple choice questions because examiners usually they set the paper where in section 3 they give multiple choice questions. Now in multiple choice there can be 1 out of 3 or there can be 2 out of 5, that is also multiple choice, or at times they can be the matching type of questions as well. So prepare yourselves very well for section 3, matching, multiple choice, out of 3 1 selection or out of 5 2 when you select. And in section 4, somebody told me last time they were the multiple choice questions, but actually section 4 is meant for one word only sentence completion. So on 22nd June as well in Ielts listening section 4, 70 to 80% chances are that it's going to be one word only and sentence completion. Otherwise there can be some questions of multiple choice. So it's actually 70 to 80% chances for sentence completion with one word only. Otherwise there can be few questions of multiple choice or matching like that. As far as reading is concerned, the way I look at reading, according to my understanding, section 1 and section 3, they are going to be easier. But in section 2, some questions, I will not say section 2 will be difficult, but I would only say in section 2, some questions are going to be tricky or confusing or difficult to understand. I've noticed that when I made the review video for 13th June, there were students were saying section 1 was fine, section 3 was fine, but section 2 was a bit tricky. So be ready, and again I tell you, whenever you do one section, always start with the easy question type. There are the sets of questions. Always start with easy question type in one section, then do the other question type and then do the other one. This is how you can deal with the tricky things, and very recently I uploaded some videos on Ielts reading academic one, so you can watch those videos as well. After reading, when it comes to writing, well, writing task 1, last time it was a bar graph. So this time also it's going to be something similar, and before that there was a diagram as well, and the diagram was very simple. I don't remember, but it was, yeah, the bottle making, glass bottle making procedure, it was very simple. So either it's going to be a diagram, or if it is a bar chart, in bar chart we got bar chart, line graph, pie chart. So if there is anything, you can easily deal with that. It will not be difficult. I will try to upload some videos on that as well, so don't worry, it's going to be like that. As far as essay is concerned, I don't know, but my sixth sense tells me it's going to be opinion or discussion essay. Let me tell you, prediction is always a prediction. Prediction is not something that, because I have not seen the paper, I have not set the paper, I am not the examiner. Prediction is only just my experience that I am telling you, because in the last academic test they gave the topic that was problem and solution essay. So this time it's time for opinion or discussion essay. So pay some special attention to opinion discussion essay, and let me tell you, if there is the topic, do the advantages outweigh the disadvantages, that is also opinion essay. Then if they say, is it a positive or a negative development, that is also opinion essay. So be prepared for opinion essay and discussion essay, but at the same time do not forget to take a look at advantages, disadvantages, problem solution and all that stuff. Okay. Now, this is what I predict for 22nd June. It's a very short video because many of you requested me, and I never turn down your request. I always try to come up with the videos you guys want me to make. So I wish you all the best. Those who are planning to take their IELTS test on 22nd June, all the best. Work hard, and for that, the books which I recommend, you should take practice tests from book number 14. Right, listening tests you can take from there, book number 14, and the reading tests you can again take from official guide. Academic book is actually IELTS official guide. There are 6 reading tests and they are difficult ones. Prepare from there. And then there is another book, IELTS trainer. You can prepare from there as well. So book number 14, official guide, and IELTS trainer, these are the resources, and definitely if you prepare from there, it will help you on 22nd June when you go to take the test. And don't worry, 22nd June is a very important day. That is the day when the duration of day, it starts decreasing 22nd June onwards. Okay, so don't worry, it's going to be a good day and it's going to be a lucky day as well. So don't worry at all and take your test, and definitely, inshallah, by the grace of Almighty, you will end up getting your required bands. And once you take the test, don't forget to send me the details of the test, like for listening, question type and all that. Send me the messages along with your name and your test center, and I will make a review video for those who are planning to take their test on 29th. Asad Yaqub wishes you all the best. If you like this video, hit the like button and please subscribe my channel. Tell everybody about my channel and about me and about my IELTS videos. And I also teach IELTS online. If you want to join my online IELTS classes, you can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub wishes you all the best and all the best. Take good care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.